So over here, I have a Python code right here that adds 3 numbers. If I were to actually go ahead and copy this and then paste it into a C compiler, then it won't run because it does not recognize it. But let's say I want to actually convert this programming code, the exact program, into C program. In that case, I can simply go ahead and then copy this code out right here, paste it into Kimi right here just like this, and say convert this into C programming language. So if I were to actually go ahead and do this and then press enter, then what happens is that it says sure, below is the equivalent C program that calculates the sum of 3 numbers, as you can see right here. So now you can simply copy out the converted code and then go to the C compiler right here and then paste this out right here and hit the run button. So once you do that, you can see that I simply have the same programming but now in C programming language. And that is how you can convert between programming languages inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.